Hey guys, hey, want to make a very quick announcement here. I'm going to be off of YouTube for a while, unfortunately. In just a couple of days, I'm going to have surgery. I'm going to have a full knee replacement, and then of course I got to go through therapy and all that good stuff. So going to take a break, probably 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks, maybe even longer than that. I really don't know yet, but I expect a quick recovery, I hope. And as soon as I can, I'll get back out here, and my boys and I will start making our videos again. But I'm hoping maybe in a couple of weeks I can put together a blooper video, maybe some other stuff that I can do in the house. But as far as coming out here and shooting a video, yeah, it's going to be a while. But I hope to be back out here sometime in September, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up. And I also want to mention in a couple weeks I'm going to hit 100 million views on my channel. So hey, thanks guys, I really do appreciate it. So you know what, I will see you guys as soon as I can. All right, thanks for watching.